Here's how to check for leaks and see what might be leaking. It's bad for your vehicle and our local waterways when you have leaking oil, transmission, brake, or steering fluids. All these fluids do important things in their proper places in your vehicle, but they're toxic to fish and other wildlife when they drip and drain to local streams and Puget Sound through the stormwater systems. Even a few small drips matter when you consider the millions of vehicles in the Puget Sound area. Leaks can be difficult to identify, but you can use clues to help you determine just what's dripping from under your car. Look for 3 things: location, color, and consistency. A quick test is to use a drip sheet. A large piece of paper or cardboard will do. Pick a day when it's not raining or too windy. Place the drip sheet on the ground in a safe, level location and weigh down the corners so it doesn't blow away. Make sure the engine is warm and park the vehicle over the drip sheet. It's best to leave it overnight, but a few hours will do. After you remove the sheet, compare any spots to this color chart. You can get it online at www.fixcarleaks.org. If your car doesn't have a leak, that's terrific. Continue maintaining it and watch for leaks. Periodically do the drip test. If your vehicle has a leak, take the vehicle and the sheet to an auto repair shop. Repair the leak as soon as possible. If you can't do this right away, put paper, cardboard, or a drip pan under the leak while your vehicle is parked. To clean up spills and leaks, cover with an absorbent material such as soil or kitty litter, sweep it up, and put it in the trash.